Today, we will take a minute to walk you through pairing this incredible product with your Bluetooth-compatible television. These same steps will work for most Bluetooth devices as well. First things first, grab your BRAVIA Theatre U and make sure it has adequate charge. It will come with some battery out of the box, which is great, but for the pairing process, you want to make sure you have adequate charge, and there are two different ways to do this. One, you can download the Headphones Connect app and you can see how much battery you have, or the other option is you can plug it in with the AC adapter, and once you see the orange indicator light turn on and then off, that's how you'll know you have adequate battery. Next, what you'll do is go into your TV settings and set your TV into Bluetooth pairing. Now, depending on what television model you're using, the steps here might look a little bit different. Feel free to pause the video here while you go through those steps. Now that your TV is in pairing mode, grab your BRAVIA Theatre U, make sure the power is off, and hold the power/Bluetooth button for about 2 seconds until you hear this notification sound.
Pairing.
The neckband will power on, and the indicator light above the button will double flash blue. If you are trying to pair your BRAVIA Theatre U to a second device, you just hold the same power/Bluetooth button, but this time for about 5 seconds. You will hear another notification sound and voice guidance. You will then follow the steps on your television to complete the pairing process. And then you'll hear another notification sound, which indicates the process is complete. See how easy that was? Thanks for watching.